Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about how to add a DKIM record in HostGator. So step number 1, log into HostGator control panel. Step number 2, look for the zone editor icon. It will be under the domain section. There is a possibility in some cases that it might not be present. In that case, please contact HostGator and request for the same. Step 3, there will be a drop-down menu too. The user can use this menu to select the desired domain name. Step number 4. This step is crucial and needs greater focus. Under Add a Record, the following information needs to be input. Name, the DKIM record of the sender has to be located and the TXT record inserted. TTL, the TTL has to be set at 1400. Type, the type has to be selected as TXT, and address, the address would be in TXT form, similar in the case of name, and inserted after the DKIM record of the sender has been recorded. And step number 5, the final step is to complete the setup process by clicking on the Add Record button. DKIM is a simple process and usually takes not more than 30 minutes for the changes to reflect. That's it. Thanks for watching.